Hello everybody, welcome to Rosie's Diecast. Today I was going to show you the Clod Buster by Tamiya in collaboration with Kaido House and Mini GT. I've been seeing this one at the diecast store that I go to, and I've been wanting to get it for a little while, so I decided to go ahead and pick one up. I've seen them around, and I do like the casting. I like the Silverados, so this was one that I decided to go ahead and pick up. Let's see how well this thing is made. So most of my collection is Hot Wheels. I do got a few older Johnny Lightning cars, and I decided I've been branching out a little bit more. And this one was made by Jun Imai, who used to work for Hot Wheels. And then he went into these. And he's been designing some of these. So this is all metal casting. Look at that purple on that base. That is beautiful. Look at the real tires. Look at the opening trunk. And the lights look good on this thing. I wish the wheels were a different color, but other than that, this thing is pretty nice. The interior is pretty detailed. Oh, mine looks like it has a little scuff there. Look at that. That's fresh out the pack. It's got mirrors. Look, everything is detailed really well. Look at the LS in there, twin turbo. Man, the details on this are nice. And this is after the old Clod Buster, the original 1987. It was originally an RC car that was a four-wheel drive RC car that was out. Look at the little sticker there, caution hot. So on the RC car, they said that a lot of the guys that had that car, they had like a little resistor or something back here that got hot. I did not have one, so I don't know that to be accurate or not. It's just what I heard. Let me know what you guys think about this casting. I love the motor. The detail on that is nice. I'm very pleased with this casting. The only thing I don't like is that I got two little scuffs there, and it's right out of the box. Looks like the paint just didn't go in all the way. But let me know what you guys think. Is this something you guys are going to get or have? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.